Hi, my name is Erin Long, and this is my Culminating Project. So Canvas and BlazerNet is the main function for most classes and online classes in general. BlazerNet and Canvas is also a place to access your email, OneCard, Canvas, GPS, OneStop, BeAlert, and potential patient portal, and plenty more. BlazerNet is, in general, a more informational aspect. It gives you the information in the tabs on the right-hand side. Canvas is located in BlazerNet, and it is where you can access your classes and email instructors. Canvas is where you can turn in homework as well. They are both easy ways to communicate and have things turned in on one time. BlazerNet and Canvas make online classes easier. College words to know. So in this year we had a project where it was all the common college words, and it helped you get through everything from making online classes, etc. The common college terms were assigned to help us understand why we are here. We are here to be responsible, independent, and mature. The common college terms are here to help us understand making a class schedule with the CRN number and going into your academic advisor for help and guidance with figuring out your major. They also can help you withdraw or drop from your classes. Some of the college terms are known for the academic honesty, disciplinary, and the common things as plagiarism. The common college terms are here to inform you that you'll be using what you'll be using here for the next 4 years. Campus safety. UAB is all about safety, and they have a non-emergency police officers who are a phone call away, which the number is located on UAB site on most every single door when you walk into UAB. UAB has their help poles everywhere. In case you feel unsafe, you can press the button and talk to an officer will be on their way to your location. Also, they have the OneCards. It's another safety thing because when you have to check into your dorm, you have to scan in, and if you don't belong in that dorm, it won't let you go in. The Stern Library. Stern Library is a place here at UAB where they have little pods where you can study individually or with the group. There is internet access and an individual computer where you can access anything you have to do, like log into your BlazerNet, your Canvas, your email. You can access campus email, anything you need. There's resources at Stern Library such as books, internet links on their site that can help you type a paper or research you have to do. University Writing Center. Their motto is that we can help any UAB student with any kind of writing project at any stage of the writing process. So if you're an incoming freshman, you should use this place very much because you have to write in different types of format. Like we are used to MLA and teachers want us to write APA, and it's challenging to start a new thing. So you have to go ahead and try. You need help. So, well, they also can help in the center one-on-one or online. You do have to set up an appointment, or you can walk in, but they prefer you make an appointment. It's located on the first floor, the Merv Stern Library. Sessions are ranging from 25 to 50 minutes with a trained tutor. Campus involvement. UAB is known for being involved, seeing the opportunities, including clubs, sororities, church groups. Being involved on and in campus is an important factor. It changes your life. They want you to be involved. UAB's faculty is trying to make you have communication skills. Get out of your shell mostly as a freshman, and finding friends is the goal. So campus involvement, like they try to inform you, hey, there's a basketball game. Why don't you go sweep the floors after the game? It's just all those things. You can make friends. You can go to a sporting event and then just help out after. Study habits. I was always told to study smarter, not harder. Making time to study needs to be built into your schedule because it will take a lot of your day, and being in college, there are so many more things you need to study. If you want to be successful, then you have to put in the work to achieve it. Bad study habits are common in students, and when we were doing this discussion, everyone had a bad study habit. It's best if you have a weekly plan to study and do certain assignments and/or exams. It's proven to help you do better and the best in school. Student health and mental health. 1 in 4 is the ratio from ages between 18 and 24 that have been diagnosed with a mental illness. 1 in every 12 students have a suicide plan. The eye-opener is what gets me, but the information behind it is that there's always someone to reach out to. There's a number to call, a text, and it'll be anonymous if you wish. There is a reach out point. It shows signs, but it states that you're never alone. You can go to multiple people here at UAB, counselors, anything. If you need help, they will get you help. Diversity. So learning about diversity made me realize that the world is still learning to compromise. Diversity can be discussed in different topics, and the ones that stand out the most is race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, mental and physical ability, class, and immigration status. Diversity is change. Diversity is good. Diversity is the new world. What stood out is that there isn't much acceptance in certain situations, and it's being worked on, but not only by students, but by teachers. So teachers are trying to be more acceptance with every student. Every student's different. Like the No Student Left Behind, that was a huge thing a few years back, and it's worked. It's made kids work hard. It's made kids feel comfortable. Service learning and education. It's what we should be doing as a community and all the other things to do to help in various little ways. UAB has a lot to offer. The purpose of service learning is to help anyone or anything in need of some assistance. Being an athlete, we have many hours to do volunteering and service hours, and it shows how UAB wants you to be involved and become a good social character as a student. Communication skills are earned in these situations like these. You're going to need some experience when you go out and find a job. So even putting some service hours on your resume, it will help. It will help you get a job. It'll help you get out there. And UAB is trying to help you in any way possible. Thank you for listening to my presentation.